problem.
Okay, try again.
This is how we give Tristan kisses.
Yeah, I love that. I love mouse.
You want me to get a kiss in the mouth?
I love mouse.
Or in your mouth?
I'm my mouse.
I want a real kiss. Can I be? Nope. Can I have a real kiss? That's not a real kiss. That's gonna be a wet kiss. I want a real one. That's a wet one. It's a wet one. That's a wet one. I want a real one. I want a real one. I want a real one. No, I want a real one. Yes. Oh, no. A real one? Do I get a real one? Wet one. I got one! I am victorious.